You're going to be absolutely amazed after you watch this video because I'm going to show you why every child can excel at math. When I was growing up, math was my favorite subject. And then I became a teacher and I was teaching math. But then I learned some amazing techniques that completely changed the way that I taught math and made it so much more interesting for the students. They loved it, and they also happened to get really good grades in math. So here are 4 reasons why every child can excel at math using these transformative teaching techniques. Number 1, all students can understand abstract concepts like fractions, decimals, percentages, ratios, proportions, and so on. How do I do this? Well, I keep my math lessons short and focused on one key concept. Well, I use games, I use real-life applications, and I differentiate my instruction so that every student is challenged and learning at their own pace. And this is great for students because they don't get bored and they're able to grasp the concept quickly and move on to the next one. It doesn't matter if they're struggling or if they're advanced. There's a very simple technique that I use to help students memorize math facts quickly and easily. I hope this video has inspired you to try out these transformative teaching techniques in your own classroom. If you're a student, I hope this has inspired you to never give up on math and to always believe in yourself. And remember, math is fun. And here it is. For example, let's say that we're trying to learn the multiplication facts for the 7. So we start out by building the 7 using our fingers, right? We spread our fingers apart and we build the 7, and then we count by 7s. So we have 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49, 56, 63, 70. So what we're doing is we're building the 7, and then we're counting by 7s to help us memorize that math fact. And then we do the same thing for the other multiplication facts. And then eventually we have all of the math facts memorized. There is a simple technique that I use in my classroom that makes it so that all students can understand these abstract concepts. So how do I do this? Well, for example, when we're learning about fractions, I don't just teach fractions with a bunch of abstract rules and symbols. Instead, I use fraction circles. I use fraction circles to represent the concept of a fraction. So I have a whole circle here, okay? And then I cut it into halves, right? And now I have to equal parts. The top part is 1/2 and the bottom part is 1/2. Now I say, which part is greater, 1/2 or 1/4? Number 2, every student can memorize math facts, even students who have learning disabilities. Number 3, every child can learn new math concepts in less time. And number 4, all students can love math. How do I make math more engaging and fun for my students? So there you have it. Those are 4 reasons why every child can excel at math. This video was creatively created by Creativo Solutions with the use of artificial intelligence, and see you in the next video. I'd love to have you in my community. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.